Assalamualaikum everyone, only toppers can score 10 out of 10. Let's test your preparation. Start now. MCQs number 1. Abnormal psychology is the scientific study of A. Normal behavior, B. Abnormal behavior, C. Intelligence, D. Personality. B is the correct answer, abnormal behavior. MCQs 2. Which of the following is not a part of 4DS? A. Deviance, B. Distress, C. Development, D. Danger. C is the correct answer, development. MCQs 3. Deviance refers to A. Accepted behavior, B. Behavior different from social norms, C. Emotional stability, D. Intelligence. B is the correct answer, behavior different from social norms. MCQs 4. Distress means A. Happiness, B. Emotional suffering, C. Intelligence, D. Physical strength. The correct answer is B. Emotional suffering. MCQs 5. Dysfunction indicates A. Proper functioning, B. Interference in daily life, C. Social norms, D. Intelligence. The correct answer is interference in daily life, option B. MCQ 6. Danger refers to A. Safety, B. Harm to self or others, C. Learning ability, D. Memory. The correct answer is harm to self or others. MCQ 7. DSM is used for A. Teaching, B. Diagnosis of disorders, C. Therapy only, D. Research only. B is the correct answer, diagnosis of disorders. MCQs 8. Statistical certain. Consider behavior abnormal if it is A. Common, B. Rare, C. Learned, D. Emotional. So the correct answer is B. MCQ 9. Personal distress refers to A. Social norms, B. Emotional suffering, C. Intelligence, D. Learning. The correct answer is emotional suffering. MCQ 10. Which of the following is not a component of the biological model? A. Biological factor, B. Psychological factor, C. Social factor, D. Spiritual factor. D is the correct answer, spiritual factor. So viewers, comment your score out of 10 and subscribe my channel for next PS5404 MCQ test. Bye for now. Allah Hafiz.